Hello everybody, hope you're doing fine. Firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm P. Sai Navin Kumar, a dentist from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my Bachelor of Dental Surgery from CIBAR in 2012 and I secured 18th rank in APPG MDS Entrance in 2013. I've been maintaining an online group Proud to be Dentist and a website ptbd.in for the past 5 years. Most of my friends, colleagues, even juniors usually ask me for tips in order to prepare for the entrance examination. So I thought of making this video in order to share my views and experiences, keeping in mind the struggle which I faced during my preparation period, so that this would benefit a large number of students who are aspiring for PG. Firstly, let me convey my best wishes to all the PG aspirants. In order to reach the target, we need to keep two things in mind. In my opinion, they are hard work on one hand and consistent performance on the other. Apart from these two things, we have various other aspects like friends and family support, the amount of quality time we spend over the subject, and the degree of motivation we have, and all the other factors including our food and even sleep do matter. So, keeping these things in perspective, I have designed a 6-point formula, which includes the following. Guidance program. If you're planning to join any guidance program or coaching center, that will definitely help you, as they will have a preformed schedule to guide you accordingly. Secondly, if you're planning to prepare for yourself, better make sure that you design your own schedule which suits your daily needs instead of merely copying other schedule. Thirdly, quality versus quantity. Usually students ask me like, how many hours do we need to allot in order to prepare for the entrance? It's not a one-word answer. It all depends on our own concentration time, etc. But make sure that even if you study for 1 hour, you need to apply 100% concentration in order to grasp and imbibe the subject. Merely studying 10 to 12 hours without any concentration doesn't help. So start off with 1 hour initially and then gradually increase your time of preparation. It depends on your capacity. You can even extend it up to 10 hours or 12 hours and even more. It all depends on your capacity again. And fourth formula includes mode of preparation. Usually we have a doubt like, how should we actually prepare for the entrance? Should we read the theory first or should we do MCQs at large? Again, in my personal opinion, merely reading out entire textbook is not going to help you. And in fact, you will get exhausted at the end of reading just one chapter. So keeping these things in mind, just remember the fact that if you have chosen a particular topic, take for example tongue in anatomy. First read about the synopsis pertaining to tongue in any textbook or in any guide, and then do as many MCQs as possible pertaining to this topic of tongue. And then when you cross check your answers, you will find out certain mistakes which you have done, and then go back to your standard textbooks or guides, just check your mistakes and make sure that you learn your synopsis again. So by repeating this cycle, I'm sure you will gain proficiency in any subject. First go through the synopsis, then do some MCQs, and then come back to your synopsis or refer standard textbook. And keep this in mind, most important aspect is don't rely just on guides. By reading out standard textbooks, you will get authentic information. So keep that in mind. And fifth point formula is friends. Try to maintain a healthy, a genuine friend circle so that the competition between you is healthy. And whatever you learn, you can share with your friends, and whatever he or she learns will be shared to you. So this helps you in imbibing as much subject as possible within a short period of time, and also helps you to retain it for a longer duration. And last one, and the most important aspect which we all commonly neglect, is food and sleep. Make sure that you lessen the amount of oil intake and also avoid junk food. And most importantly, make sure that you get an adequate sleep of around 7 to 8 hours. Just merely sleeping for 2 to 3 hours and then preparing again and again will not help you really, because you will have no concentration. You need to give rest to your mind. You need to sleep for at least minimum of 7 to 8 hours. Be confident and don't get demoralized at any point of time during your preparation period. Do not lose hope. In case if you feel demotivated or demoralized, just imagine as if you got first rank in your respective entrance examination, so that it keeps you self-motivated. And this I personally followed in order to keep myself motivated during my preparation period. Do contact me at pwd.in. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. Thank you. All the very best.